Okay, so let's try a frame rate of 150. Okay. Okay, so we'll do the same thing for the moving right animation. Okay, and as before, we'll save it under the animations folder. Okay, 0, 1, okay, 2, and 3, okay, 2, one, and 0. Okay, so frame rate of 150 frames per second. Okay, so the dusty drone moves while moving its eye back and forth. Hey, what's up, Princess Rika? Welcome back. Okay, so now that we have the animations for moving left and moving right, okay, let's connect them to the animations for idling as well. Okay, so the speed, if greater than 0.1, you change to move left. Okay, same for the right. Oh, how's your hacking game coming along? Speed 0.1. Okay, so we have to connect the idling left to the moving right animation, since the enemy can change directions. Okay, it's not that I have a good memory or anything like that, it's just that I do remember random things. So sometimes I remember important stuff and sometimes I don't. Wow. Okay, so I think I have heard of Haskell. Okay, is it something like an legacy programming language or something like that. Yeah, I don't exactly remember where I have heard of it. Okay, if facing right, false. Hey, what's up, Red Daddy? Thanks for joining the White Sponge live stream. Okay, move left, either left. Oh, okay, so you can change from moving to idling if the speed is less than 0.1. Oh, okay, that's my bad. Okay, I shouldn't have called it legacy though. Okay, so it is a pure functional programming language. Wait, what is the difference between it and maybe something like C# or C++? Hey, Red Daddy. Unity is kind of the most popular game engine currently. And yes, there is a game development category on Twitch TV. So you can find a lot of people live streaming game development like what I'm doing right now. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so I didn't know about that. Okay, so it's good that more channels for purely programming or creative stuff are popping out. Okay, so that is a good question, Red Daddy. So would I feel self-conscious? Okay, maybe during the starting phase or when I first started live streaming. Okay, as I wasn't that used to having the camera on me, but once you get used to it, it should be fine. Okay, you just need to get used to it. Okay, set 3, enemy 1, stun left. Okay, and on top of that, live streaming will also help you to maybe gather feedback or also improve the way you speak. And also help you to interact with different people across the world that you might not have the chance to do so if otherwise. Okay, which is what we are doing right now. Okay. Okay, so next is the animation for stun left 0 1 0 2 and 0. Okay, so this animation will be played when this enemy is stunned, and there will be a small flying bird around its head. Okay, let me just check the frame rate for the other enemies. Okay, 90. Okay, that's about the same. Okay, so usually for enemies, they would be idling or moving. Okay, but since the characters that you can play as, okay, since the characters that you can play as in Stars, or rather one of them has the ability to stun enemies, we have to create the animations for enemies when they are stunned. Whoa, okay, that is a huge wall of text. Okay, I'm just reading the huge wall of text. Okay, so I will have to agree with you, Princess Rika, because I don't get it. Okay, it's not that your explanation is bad or anything like that, it's just that I'm someone who learn from doing. So unless I get some practice on functional programming, okay, just reading explanations might not cut it for me. I mean, different people learn in multiple different ways. Okay, so for me, I learn by doing and practicing. So the more I do, the better I learn. Okay, I know people who don't learn the same way as me, but okay, everyone is different. Okay, animations. Okay, so then you are the same as me. Whoa. No, that is actually how I got to learn Unity. Oh, wait a minute. 1, 0. Okay, so when I first started using Unity, what I did was I started creating multiple mini games so as to quickly learn how Unity works. Okay, especially with Unity where you can drag and drop and where the workflow is vastly improved from other 2D game engines. Okay, so this is 0. Okay, so my first game was on the mobile device. And I used a game engine called Coco Studio. Okay, I'm not saying that it isn't good or anything like that, it's just that using Unity has greatly reduced the amount of time that you need to spend making the game. Or at least that is what I have learned. Whoa. Hey, thanks for joining as well, Red Daddy. And yes, you can call me Sponge if you want. Wow. Okay, so IRC bots, huh? Okay, that is rather cool. Okay, in fact, I'm in the middle of writing one for Mac. Okay, since the bots support for Twitch TV for live streaming are usually on Windows. So I'm in the process of writing one for Mac since I live stream from a Mac. Okay, so if you scroll down and look at the description panel right at the bottom, okay, the bot that is coming soon is the bot that I'm working on. Okay, currently I got it to read comments that people input. Okay, but that's about it. So next we'll be working on the database so that it will keep track of who has spent time on the channel. And then it will reward rubies in relation to that. Okay, so in a sense that is also an IRC bot but for Twitch TV on the Mac. Whoa, okay, did someone just follow the channel? Thanks, okay, so thanks for the follow. Okay, apparently it shows up for, rather it shows up on the live stream but it doesn't shows up on my desktop, which is fine as long as you can see it. Hey, thanks for the follow, Red Daddy, even though you're offline now. Okay, so next we'll need to link the animations. Okay. Okay, so we need to link the animations from idling, moving to getting stunned. Okay, and you will recover from getting stunned. Force, and if your speed is less than 0.1, whoa. Hey, what's up, Climber? I'm guessing that is how you pronounce your name. Okay, if stun. Okay, if stun is force, and if you are facing the left, and if your speed is greater than 0.1, so you could also change, or rather the enemy could also change directions from the left to the right. Okay, speed 0.1. Okay, next we'll do the same thing for the animations for the right. If stun, if stun. Okay, if recovered from stun, if facing right, and if the speed